so now we've got 10 minutes to go back to Bruvik, or Olsnesskiftet, what it's called actually. It's not much, but here we go. looks fun. Let's see. He's already in the ditch, so... Well, alright. Let's see, I'm on the edge right now. I can feel it. No. Woo! That was too... Alright. There's a better place out there. It's more stable. Perfect. Ooh, I'm on the edge, but that's fine. The first one was more scary. I could feel that the wheel is actually on its way out. Oh, that's fun. That's fun when it happens. Testing myself and etc. Well, 3 minutes till we are supposed to go from the crossroads from Bruvik. It ain't happening, no way. We are coming there about 6, 7, maybe 8 minutes. We'll see, we'll see. But that's fine. Alright. Or even maybe more. Very good, she's very good. Thank you. Nice. 1 minute left. Well, no way. Still got 2.8 kilometers. The first stop in 50 seconds. Nah. Ooh. I saw the brake marks went kinda on the edge. Wonder what happened there. Oh well. A lot of tourists. here. That's normal. It's a beautiful place. But the best part is in front of us, I would say. We are going down and the views are absolutely amazing. Let's take shades out. You can hear the radio is back. Not bad, not bad. I mean, the view are just amazing. Alright, let's tighten up. Alright. Steering place again. Take it in the middle. And then outside again. Let's use our mirror outside. Oh, we got good place. We got a lot of place. Between the bus and the wall. Let's see, someone, no, nobody's coming right now. Whee! All right. Wow. Outside. And then on the outside to the kinda inside. Nah. And here it's just beautiful. Of course, checking the right side at the same time so we don't go out. So we are not stuck. Down. Away the car. Alright. Let's keep it. I'm on the edge. Yes, just drive in there. Drive in there. Come on. Please, please, please. I don't have that much. Oh, where are the rocks? Alright. Let's turn it now. Excellent. What a cooperation. He was good. Same here, taking the outside line. So we got place on the right side of the bus. Ish. Nice. On the outside. All right. Looking on the mirror, taking on the place, nice. And now we are 4 minutes late, whatever. You all can see what kind of roads I have to deal with. Nobody can tell me drive faster. It's impossible. If I only had wings, then maybe. that's perfect spot to meet another car, and that's where it gets tight again. Let me see, we have to steal all the place because from the mountain up in front of us. Let me see, now we've got some spot place here, we take it and back to the right, and then go back to the right side, checking the outside mirror. Oh, hello cyclist. Hello there, mister. Way. Let me see. 400 meters till we are at the first stop. 6 minutes late, whatever. Yes, it's perfect, perfect spot. Oh, there's another car, nice. Alright. Out here, out here. Yes. Come to me, please. Thank you. Nice. Hey, come on. Nice. Everybody's happy, everyone's satisfied. Let's keep it that way. And now we are back at the first stop, 7 minutes late. Alright, let me know in the comments if I could keep my mouth shut, or if I can talk a little bit to you. Well, I leave you here, guys. Thank you for watching, and peace.